Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a first blood match in SVR. First, from the main menu, you will want to select the exhibition option. This allows you to set up custom matches. Next, choose one-on-one as your match type. Finally, go into the match rules section and select first blood to ensure the correct conditions are applied for your intense showdown. Understanding the rules is key to victory in a first blood match. Your sole objective is to make your opponent bleed before they can do the same to you. Unlike other matches, there are absolutely no pinfalls, submissions, or countouts to worry about. Focus entirely on offense, utilizing your most powerful attacks and any available weapons to inflict maximum damage and achieve that crucial first cut. To secure a win, employ effective strategies. Focus your attacks on specific body parts, particularly the head, as this is often where bleeding is triggered. Unleash your character's finishers and signature moves, as these inflict significant damage and increase the likelihood of drawing blood. Don't hesitate to grab weapons from under the ring. A steel chair or sledgehammer can quickly turn the tide in your favor. Selecting the right character can give you an edge. Opt for a wrestler known for their high striking power and impactful moves, as these are essential for inflicting damage. Maintain an aggressive offense throughout the match, constantly pressuring your opponent. While being aggressive, remember to manage your stamina wisely, saving bursts of energy for those critical moments when you need to unleash a powerful combo or finisher to secure the first blood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.